Hi everyone, my name is Courtney-Ann Wallace. I am a realtor at Century 21 Heathrow Properties, and today we're viewing this beautiful luxurious home located on Jack's Hill. It's listed at $2 million US and it's 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and sits on a lot of a whopping 1.23 acres. So without further ado, remember to leave your comments below and let's get started. This is the carport area. It's large and it can easily hold at least 20 cars, so your guests don't have to park on the street. And the carport leads to the entrance of the home, where we have a beautiful koi fish pond. Currently it's used as a outdoor courtyard with orchids and lots of plants. You could keep it this way. There are sunroofs on the left and the right, so it's a nice outdoor sitting area that you can use just to chill, get some reading in and relax and have a good time. Now the entrance of the property, if you go right, you're going to be in the existing living room area as well as foyer area, and on the left you're going to have another seating area which we'll view later on in the tour. If you want to connect this space, you can. If you want to keep it this way, that's also possible. Currently they have seating areas just to overlook the city, so if you're having an indoor event and you don't necessarily want to be inside, I think this would have been a perfect space for that. Now let's take a look into the master bedroom, where you can easily hold all the furniture you can imagine. Currently they have a king size bed, which means that there's a lot of space in this room, so you can do that. You can have your nightstands, you can have your dresser, you can affix your television to the wall. In addition to that, you can maybe have a small couch or an ottoman for storage and make the space workable. The floors are bullet wood floors, which means it's good quality. And in the bathroom, which is connected to the master bedroom, we have Jack and Jill sinks. Now even if you're gonna renovate the space and switch up the fixtures and the tiling, just the functionality shows what you can do, right? So you have a tub and you have a shower, and then that same bathroom connects to this bathroom that we just saw, and then connects to this bedroom. So if you want to keep that separate, you keep the door closed. If not, and you just want some flowing of the space, you can do that as well. This can be a nice potential guest bedroom because it holds a queen size bed. This is a nice guest bedroom as well because it's to the front of the house, and so your guests would be very cool, very comfortable. This also has its own bathroom, not necessarily en suite, but it's just outside. The closet area is also just outside, and it connects to a hallway that's currently used as a reading den. But if you have kids, it's also a nice area to store toys. Now, the other seating area that I spoke of earlier in the video, this is it. Now, what I love about this space is that it's so bright and it's so open, floor to ceiling windows. And even if you're going to change the windows, I definitely keep the window styles the way it is and have floor to ceiling windows that let in a lot of natural light and a lot of breeze. Now this space connects to the current dining room area, which also leads us into the kitchen. I know some families don't really sit together and dine anymore, but depending on the family dynamics that you have, you can use this space for that purpose. If not, you can make it into what you want it to be. Just remember that it's nearby to the kitchen, so you want to keep the space very convenient and functional. The views are phenomenal. You're overlooking Portmore, Kingston, I'd even go as far as to say downtown, and the breeze literally blow you away. Now later down in the video we're going to be viewing the pool area, but this is the dining area from another angle. So like I said, the property is going to be unfurnished, but at least it gives you an example of what the space could be. In the kitchen we have Spanish tiles on the backdrop and on the floors, and a double sink. So if you're going to switch that out, maybe you can add a farm sink. That would be really cool. And you have space to have your double oven, which is what we're seeing here on the right. So if you're a pizza lover and all of that, that's a perfect space for you. The window overlooks the koi fish pond and the courtyard that we saw in the first clip. Now this is another bedroom, which if you continue through the kitchen, you would have ended up here. And like I said, there's a lot of bedrooms on this property, so you can easily host a lot of people. This bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom as well. And then we have another bedroom coming up next in the other clip, which is more to the back of the house and leads us towards the pool had you exited there. But we'll see that later on. The space is very functional, and I like how everything just flows together. It's not complicated. Everything is on the ground floor as well, so whether you have elderly persons or disabled persons, the space is very, very easy to use, and the bedrooms are quite large. So even if you are doing renovations, at least you know you have a lot of space to work with. Now when we step outside, we have more sunroofs covering your cars. So if you have certain luxury cars that you don't want in the sun, this is a perfect space to put them. We also have a large lawn if you have kids. This property packs a lot of heritage. So here we even have a chair that's connected to a carriage wheel. I thought that was really cool. This is the area where your kids can play, and that blue wall right there, I believe if you have pets, that can be a nice little dog house for you. Now walking towards the back of the property, now we're going to be ending up into this nice little floral courtyard area, and if you continue all the way around, it's going to bring you back to the pool. But let's take a little detour and go back upstairs from that same side, and this is like an outdoor balcony space. Now for me, I love to entertain, so you can easily have your family events here, games nights, movie nights. If you have a projector, that would be really cool. And here is the selling point of the home, the backyard and the pool. Now the pool has a small jacuzzi in it, and that same space is gifted with a barbecue area. So if you're into outdoor barbecuing, that's perfect. And you can put your pool tables, you can add some tables and chairs out here as well. Now what I love about this space is that there's just so many things you can do. But guys, comment below your favorite part of the tour. Comment what you would do with the property, and give us your feedback. We always appreciate your feedback, and as usual, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.